top salt flats would be the best place. That's what I've always been thinking. And then there's also lower humidity there, so there'll be a little less refraction. But yeah, that's really if you have topography that's got hills and valleys, you just have to make the posts higher. But so that's really it's advantageous to go flat. So
yeah, less lumpy.
Yep.
Yeah. So what about a 6 mile long ruler? You think that's doable?
I know what I'm going to get you for Christmas now.
Really?
Yeah. I'm sure I can find one that's like a helicopter again. Or multiple helicopters.
Yeah, that wouldn't work, would it? I mean, it would, but yeah, technically. I mean, really, though, you think about it, they've got, 3,500 miles of cable going from New York to England, right? I mean, so why not?
Yeah, I don't know if, Brian, I don't know if you saw, I've thrown it around a couple times. I still think I'm going to do it just because it's cheap and sounds pretty easy, at least to me. I may get out there and it not be as easy as I think. But I kind of want to do almost the same thing that you're talking about with posts. I was thinking about doing it 3 miles, but what I wanted to do was maybe do it right next to a river. And the reason for that is because then we can put these posts in, shoot the laser, kind of like you said, across the top of them, and then have a geodetic surveyor measure the distance from the top of the water to the top of the post, being at the 1st mile and then all the way down to the 3rd mile. The reason for that is because that should take away any question of different elevations, because obviously we're measuring it off of the water. The only real the only real complaint I've heard about it from somebody is saying, well, rivers flow a certain direction, and therefore, how will you know that the water at one end is level with the other end? Luckily, I think where I'm thinking of doing it is in some channels where the water is actually cut off. I don't think that it flows. But did you hear me talking about that at all, or do you think that might be something worth doing?
No.
Yeah, it's just basically the same thing, but doing it very cheap, because it wouldn't be something that would be permanent. But there is some straight shot rivers over here, like in Sacramento area, to where if I put a post every, say, quarter mile, so after 3 miles you can only have 12 posts, and then shoot a laser from one end and make sure that it's leveled off, probably with a surveyor with a theodolite on that end, and then kind of either put each post right to where the laser light is, or else shoot the laser light, and where it hits the post, drill a hole through it, so that now the laser's going through the first post, and wherever it hits the second post, drill a hole. So then at the end of those 12 posts, hopefully have the laser go all through all 12 posts, and then go across the river on the other side and look coming back to where the geodetic surveyor would then look across and measure from the surface of the water to where the hole was cut. We could either mark it or whatever, and then basically get that distance, because after 3 miles, the final post